In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely reset Google Chrome without reinstalling it. If your Chrome browser has been acting strangely, maybe pages are loading incorrectly, your startup page changed, unwanted extensions keep appearing, or settings just don't feel right, a full reset can be a quick and effective way to fix those problems. The good news is that you can do this directly inside Chrome, and you do not need to uninstall or reinstall the browser. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can access the menu options without interruption. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. Click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. From that menu, find and click Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy options to appearance and startup behavior. If you've never visited this section before, don't worry, everything is organized in categories, and the reset option is built right in. Inside Settings, look for the Reset Settings section. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may see this in the left side menu or farther down the page. Click Reset Settings to open the reset options. This area is designed for troubleshooting and restoring Chrome's default behavior when something has gone wrong. Next, click the option to restore settings to their original defaults. Chrome will usually show you a confirmation box before making the change. This is helpful because resetting Chrome can disable extensions, clear temporary site data, and return things like your home page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs back to default. Your bookmarks, browsing history, and saved passwords are typically not deleted, which makes this a safer option than reinstalling the entire browser. When you are ready, click Reset to confirm. Chrome will then apply the changes and restore the browser settings. This usually only takes a few moments. After the reset is complete, it's a good idea to test Chrome by opening a few websites and checking whether the issue has been resolved. If Chrome was slow, cluttered, or behaving unexpectedly, you should notice an improvement right away. That's all it takes to completely reset Google Chrome without reinstalling it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.